Oh, you don't know what's going down, man. I take no breaks like I'm a Chinese worker. I make lakes avoid cause I drip so hard and all black. Making for what I lack, all natural, except for the anabolic-androgenic steroids. Said to make you want to kill yourself. Mounds on moolah, money to my Gucci belt. Said I should retire, but don't do that cause I'm legally obligated. Take back what I said. Rape is bad. Also, I think beyonce for this moment. Wait, duty, you don't say. Listen to these next bars I'm about to lay. Always on rhythm, cause I'm on the beats. Tapping, tapping, tapping with my feet. Nut you with bars and stay straight. Meat, tea is what I want. Oh my god. That's crazy, bro. Where's my tea at? Here it is, sir, 300. The great pipe bean that you own taste. But your face on making like a lot of piss. Hastely, I throw it. Primary and secondary murder, that's what's next on the menu. So I feel like getting fucking this little venue. Go Diddy and die somewhere else. Go Diddy and get freaky with someone else. Sounds to make you want to kill yourself. On some moolah, gonna hit you with my Gucci belt. Generational trauma, that's all that stuff. You're allergic to love, this way called pup. Now hit me on the one side, run mad. And alcoholic, go mad. Baby Killa. And that's that.
I'm charging you with murder. It's first-degree murder and battery.